Hello children, how are you? I am Mamta Sharma. Today we will learn alphabets. A. I. Aeroplane. A for auto. A for apple. B. B. B for bus. B for ball. B for banana. C. C. K. C. K. C for cooler. C for cake. C for cat. D. 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 D for dot. D for dog. D for dolphin. D for donkey. E. E for egg. E for elephant. E. A. A. F for. F for fish. F for fan. G. 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 G for goat. G for grapes. H. H for hut. H. H. H for hut. H for horse. I. I for iron. I for ice cream. J. 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 J for jasmine. J for joker. J for juice. Cool juice. K. K for kite. K for kangaroo. K for kite. K. 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 L. L. Lotus. Lion. Laptop. M. M. M for mango. M for monkey. M for mobile. सबका favorite. N. N for necklace. N for nose. N for noodles. Yummy. O. O for orange. O for onion. O for orange. P for papaya. P for parrot. Pears. P for pencil. P for parrot. Q for question. मैम आपसे आप पूछती है ना, आस्किंग करती है, वही क्वेश्चन. Q for queen. R. R for rabbit. R for rose. S for snack. सांप जिसको बोलते हैं वही snake. Ship. S for school. Next. T for tiger. T for toffee. T for TV. U for uniform. U for umbrella. V for van. V for vegetable. W for watch. W for washing machine. X for Xmas tree. Y for yacht. Y for yellow. Z for zebra. Z for zero. Complete alphabets.